Bit more train spotting on the way to go and watch some planes coming in and out. Come with us.
Smile on my way, new adventures every day. Traveling far, under the stars, across the seas, where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. Mountains high and valleys low, in every place there's more to know. With every step I feel so free, the road ahead is calling me. Traveling far, under the stars, across the seas, where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. Meeting new friends and seeing new sights, under the sun and the moonlight nights. With open hearts and open eyes, the world is big, a grand surprise. Traveling far, under the stars, across the seas, where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. So come with me, let's take a ride, with the wind and the ocean tide. Every moment a memory. Traveling the world, just you and me.
As you can see, we're thoroughly enjoying the day, watching these beautiful planes come in and out. It's windy over here, but it's not so bad in the sun. At least we're all enjoying the day. This Emirates plane is absolutely gorgeous. It's taking its time to go out, mind you. But doesn't matter, we're just enjoying it. Sorry about the picture shrinking down. For some reason my phone decided to have a glitch when I was filming and rotated it the wrong way. But we're still getting to enjoy these beautiful scenery. If anyone has any questions, leave me a comment. We can just enjoy the planes coming in. Oh, and you might see some more trains when we're leaving. I'm going to do a bit more filming of those, as that really makes my daughter happy, should I say. She gets really excited over it. Don't know why. Must follow her father for that. But hope you enjoy watching. See you in my next video. Bye.